I'm always right. I'm always right.
What is going on, Ben Nation? I hope you're having a great morning. I hope that you had a great weekend. I hope that you went to Disneyland and didn't invite the rest of us. I mean, ugh, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You watched the video. You know what I'm Anyway, for those of you that didn't, there is a video up on the BitBoy Crypto website, and it does illustrate and show you that Ben is having way too much fun, right? Ugh. But seriously, we have a tournament coming up. Don't know when to announce it. It's going to be within the next 2 weeks, I want to say, and it is Bybit. Bybit is on the agenda with a listing available for free. If not, if there are 800 deposits, I want to say, for Bybit, then that would mean that Bybit would then become, we would also get that secondary and free listing without winning in their little vote off or whatever you want to call it. It's a competition. We're going to win that competition, right? Is that competition brought to you by stake.com? I have no idea. I'm not, but it could be. Who knows? We have no idea. We have no way of knowing what the future might bring. So what am I having for dinner, you might ask? Steak, but not the kind that you put vampires to. You know what I'm talking. Come on, you guys know what I'm talking about. And sometimes I ramble a little bit, but you got to deal with that because sometimes you got to take the bad in order to get the good. Speaking of the good, 64.22 is the price action right now. Now, I'm seeing something on this chart that sometimes you just make these things up in your brain and you throw like a line over here and you're looking for something to happen. You're looking for a breakout. You're looking for a move. You're looking for something to give you this kind of idea that there's a breakout imminent. And I think I found that there is a breakout imminent. Now, what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing it, and by the way, this is soon. When I'm looking, this is a 1 hour chart, by the way. Based on the way that it's playing out right here, you would think that this might mean that there's a move to the upside with a limit, by the way, of 72 to 75, because it seems like we're really going to need something meaty in order to kind of move it up there. We got to 7,000 and got absolutely rejected the moment that we got there. Now, if you look at the 4 hour, then you're going to see a little bit different of a move here, but it's still kind of giving me that feeling that there is an imminent breakout. I mean, here's what you're seeing, right? You're seeing a lot of 7,000 right now. You're seeing that this is creating an ascending wedge. Now, I'd like to see this play all the way out so that it looks a little bit more powerful for that confirmation of a breakout, but as it sits right now, it looks like that's what we're about to see. Looks like we're about to see that sort of breakout. And if we look at the Bollinger Bands right here, tightening up just a little bit, but we are down below that we're above that midline, which means that we should be able to bounce off of it. And if that's, if this all starts to happen and it starts to play towards this upside, look, this is what happens when it's on the over. And if it stays on the over, then we've got a breakout imminent. It's potential. It's possible. Let's keep our fingers crossed and see that, because investors, that's what they want to see. They want to see a nice little breakout on it. So hopefully we'll get that move and awesome, gnarly, and rad, I want to say. But trading volume about 2 million, again, $20 billion over the weekend. Just not a huge amount, but you saw the spike up here in the price action before it retraced back down. Still a great day overall. 27 million market cap. And then over here, you've got the partnership with Beep. We are now in partnership with Join Bencoin. Here's what you can expect. Strategic growth partners, spinoff Beep BitBoy versus Gensler episodes. Powered by Beep, Ben announcement content, shared network for advisory and listings and audience over here from BitBoy. Of course, the video, there is a link to the video that you can see a little bit earlier. And of course, all of the pillars, everything you need to know about BitBoy. And then you have Cassie Wolf over here. These guys are headed to Abu Dhabi. I did look it up because I'm interested in what's going on, by the way. And they are headed there for Crown Prince, some meetings. I looked up the top 10 crypto companies, blockchain related companies over there, and I didn't find anything that gave me a real win that would tell me exactly what it was. And I'm on the outside looking in just like everybody else, so I have no idea what the next step is. But I do know that many exchanges, including Bybit, are registered in that region of the country, in the Middle East. So it is entirely possible that there's some big stuff happening in that region. I want to say the owner of stake.com might also be in that region. I'm not sure, but big things happening. It seems like it's just a matter of patience right now. And listen, you might be in chat right now and you might be listening to somebody who knows everything, and he gives you that like, bro, look, I have a cousin and he was in this one crypto this one time, and what they did was they listed on this exchange and it absolutely blew up. So like if you list on that exchange, then it's absolutely going to blow up. Now, I'm not an expert on it, but I know everything. You know what I mean, bro? You know what they should be doing. Or, you get those all over the place. Like, look, don't engage. Those are trolls. Don't engage with the trolls. They don't really know everything. If they really knew it, here's the thing. If somebody in your Telegram is really acting like they know everything, consider this. If they knew everything, they wouldn't be in Telegram. They'd be in Tel Aviv on vacation. They'd be in Disneyland on vacation with their family, like BitBoy. They would be headed to Abu Dhabi. They wouldn't have time to tell you in Telegram what should be done in order to make the token moon. Come on, guys. Don't engage with the trolls. Leave them alone. Let them just act like that they are, and let it ride. It's not financial advice. My name is Believes. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't already, remember, this is the important part here. For this content to trend and for more people to see it, if you like it, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you leave a comment down below so that this is seen by more eyes, and share it all over Twitter. We'll talk to you again very, very soon.
Whoa, another shot of the bullet. Loaded, got complex, cocking and pulling. That bottleneck looked like the Loch Ness.